How to delete Xbox account permanently. So, firstly, this is the Microsoft Live Close My Account page, which you can sign into any computer, phone, or tablet. Alternatively, go to the https account.live.com close account.aspx in a web browser. Then sign in with the account you want to delete. Enter the email address associated with your account and click Next, and then confirm your password. Then verify your identity. Depending on your security settings, you may have to verify your login by having a code sent to your email address or phone number. If you are prompted to do so, click your email address or phone number to receive the code from Microsoft and then enter that code on the page when prompted. Now review the information on the confirmation page and click Next option available there. Simply click Next in the lower left corner. Then click all checkboxes on the screen. This is to ensure you understand what happens once your account is closed. The checkboxes inform you about you will lose access to Skype, Azure, Hotmail, Outlook.com, OneDrive, MSN, Money.com, and many more. You will lose any Xbox game data saved to this account, including saved games, in-game purchases, Xbox Game Pass, Live Gold, and Mixture Pro. Devices using this account may lose proper functionality as well. Then simply click on the Mark Account for Closure button available there in the bottom left corner of your screen. Now simply click Done to finish. If you change your mind about deleting your account, you can recover it by logging into any Microsoft related website within the next 60 or 30 days depending on what you choose. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.